these are family farm chickens. They're pretty quiet. So there's, I don't know, maybe 20 here. And the only ones making the noise are the roosters. That's a rooster right there. And we got 2 in there. So we got these ladies in this pen. And then we have ladies in here and a gentleman. They don't make any noise either. How many we got here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 and a rooster. Then we go all the way out here. And I think this is a 4-acre on this side. And then the hives are not this tree, but the next tree. And I had 4, I have 3 now. And across the street is where the family lives. But not me. I just come and visit.